Okay, so clearly all of the share lending vehicles are the ones with the ownership over 100%. So I did another insurance company, I did Victory Variable Insurance Funds. Amongst the ones that they're holding with over 100% institutional ownership are names like Agilent Technologies, Arc Capital Group, AES Corporation, American International Group, Gallagher Arthur J. Incorporation, Akami Technologies, Ally Financial, American Express, AutoZone, Bath and Body Works, Bank of New York Mellon, BlackRock, Berkshire Hathaway, Citigroup. Actually, Citigroup and BlackRock are fairly close, but they're not over 100, but they're in the 90s. You have Chewy over 100. You have CMG, which is Chipotle Mexican Grill. Everyone wants to get in on that. Costco, eBay, and then all of them also are holding an S&P 500 E-mini future that expires December 21st. State Street as well. But then again, you look at things like Tesla and GME and AMC, and they're sitting at like 30%, 50%, 45%. Why is that? Why is that? I mean, this looks like a pretty big source of inflation to me as far as the market is concerned. But yeah, Berkshire B registers at 64,958 institutional ownership. Uh, Likely an error on that, but I would imagine, hopefully. But at this point, I wouldn't doubt it. But yeah, that's likely an error. But it's still crazy. So what's going on here? I don't know, but no one's talking about it. So I guess I'm gonna start digging. Where's my shovel? Hey babe. Hey babe. Have you seen my shovel? You haven't? All right.